Okay, so when I first start out my makeup, I go ahead and grab a wipe. This is a daily facial towelettes for all skin types with micellar water, and this is from Costco. You can get this brand there, and they come in a huge box. It comes with a lot, which is really good because it will last me like a couple months, honestly, and I really like that about Costco, that everything comes like in a pack. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sephora Dragon Fruit Lip Scrub. I got this in a box of Sephora favorites online, and I believe they still have it up. If they still do, I will for sure link it down below for you so you guys can go ahead and get this your own. But I just go ahead and just basically apply it like any other lip balm. It smells so good, and the color is also beautiful, and this is how much your product has. This is my second time using it, so it has a lot of product in here, and the packaging is also very cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my Milani Rose Butter. I'm gonna start by using my Touch in Sol No Problem priming water. This is what it looks like right here. And this is pretty cool because you just literally apply it wherever you need it, and it gives me the hydration that I need, but it's also priming it at the same time. So I do apply a second primer just because I do have combination skin, so I get oily around my T-zone. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Too Faced Prime and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, and I love their setting powder so much. So I just go ahead and apply it right here. It does feel cooling, and it does, you know, dry up to a matte primer. So I just literally apply it where I get oily. So I did get the silicone blender. I have not tried anything like this. I definitely seen it. It's old news, I know, but I saw this at the dollar store and I was like, oh my god, let me just get it and try it out. Apply half of the normal amount of makeup to either side of the silicone blender and spread it onto the face using a patting motion. And I did get a new foundation. It's by L'Oreal Infallible, and this is the 24-hour fresh wear. And I heard really nothing but good reviews about this foundation. So far it is giving me a little coverage, and I think that if I would definitely use like a sponge, it will give me more full coverage, I think, just because I feel like this is easier to warm up than the sponge. I don't know, in my opinion. Really nice. It's not bothering me, it's not hurting or nothing. Okay, so this is a close-up using my sponge afterwards. Using my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. I've been liking this a lot lately, and I feel like maybe I need to tone down to a shade a little bit darker, maybe the one after this. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face, and I'll be right back. I think we are good. Alright, we're gonna look funny, but okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Liner. And I just noticed that the names go by where the areas you need to apply them. So it literally says base, liner, corner, highlight. Wow, that shade is stunning. And right here. Oh wow, that is a really pretty color. I don't think I ever applied a color like this. And I'm gonna go back to that fluffy brush and just blend out the top. I've been having this great idea that I've been wanting to use this Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Spicy for my eyeliner. So let's see how that turns out. so I already applied the lashes. I'm just going to do some quick eyeliner. And this is from Makeup Forever. I've been liking this eyeliner, and it is in the shade whatever black. And I also got this Glow Gleam highlighting palette by e.l.f. And this is in the shade Light, and then I know that there was another one, but the highlighter was a little bit dark for me. I got the shade in Light, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the Bloom collection. And the first one right here. And this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection brush in the number 09. And I feel like it didn't get wet in that area. Hold on. I barely do this. Like, I literally apply my highlighter and I leave. I always forget to apply setting spray. Like, what the heck. And I got this little fan at the dollar store. Some of that in the middle, and putting that in the nose area. Some up here too. Alright, the lighting may look a little bit different. It just got a little bit cloudier. So I'm gonna be applying this shade right here. And this is with the Morphe JH39 brush. So that is what the highlight is looking like. Pair this up with the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in the shade Rum Raisin. And this is so creamy. I love it, and they smell so sweet. Okay, so that was the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was like a tutorial slash trying on new things. I really liked it. The look is definitely something different that I haven't done. So overall, about the foundation, I definitely would recommend you guys trying it. 10 out of 10. I really liked it. If you guys have combination skin like me, then go ahead and try it. I really liked it. But if you guys don't like the fragrance, I personally like the fragrance. I don't mind it. It smells pretty fresh. But if it's a little bit too much for you, then I would definitely probably skip this one. But it's worth trying, definitely. And I'm in the shade 430. I know I don't know if I mentioned that, but I'll definitely like leave it as I'm trying it on. It's definitely very comfortable and breathable to wear, because there's a lot of foundations that you just feel like it's very heavy. This doesn't feel heavy at all. I really like how it's sitting on my face. It's not looking shiny, it's not looking too dry, but I really like the finish. With the sponge, I do have to say I would be a little bit more comfortable, just because I'm not so used to using the silicone right now. But I'm definitely gonna get into that, you know, try out other new tools that I could use, apply my makeup. Now to the next thing is the e.l.f. strips. Okay, so let me tell you, I really like the e.l.f. strips. I like the way that they were literally so straight, and you could angle them as however you want. And I'm also going to use this as an eyeshadow guide, but I really liked it because I could have literally left it there and did my wing and it would be perfect. So I would definitely do that next time. And last but not least, the e.l.f. highlighting palette. I like it. This was $8. It's very affordable. You would probably like it if you're not that much of a highlight. If you're just starting on a highlighting, this is a really nice palette to have around. Not only because you use it for the face, but you could also use it for the eyes. Like I applied this one under inner corner. I really liked it. Definitely gives you a nice glow. But honestly, I would skip it just because I feel like I have a lot of highlighters that are kind of this shade, and I'm more into the the pop of highlighter. As you've seen, I was really amazed by this little Cupid's bow. It's really bright. That's how bright I like him. But this is more like a little soft glam highlighter. You could definitely build it up, but I would definitely skip this. It's not like a must, but you know, you could try it if you guys don't have anything like this or any of these shades. Then definitely go for it. It's very affordable. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.